On a day much like any other, nestled within the bustling medical store in Sara Salah, a young boy's frantic plea for help sliced through the usual humdrum. The air thickened with tension as he narrated his tale of desperation. His sister, critically ill since the night before, struggling with relentless waves of asthma attacks. The fleeting relief offered by injections was not enough. Plans were being made to transfer her to a hospital in Haripur. A friend, running an allopathic medical store but also a student of homeopathy, suggested a house visit. The home was a cacophony of hushed whispers and worry. The patient, an 18-year-old girl, struggling to breathe, propped up on 4 pillows as lying down, worsened her condition. Observing the girl, the homeopathic remedy was clear as day. Arsenic album. This remedy, sourced from the friend's store, was added 3 drops at a time to lukewarm water. Within 2 minutes of consumption, the girl's ragged breathing eased, and she was able to lie down without discomfort. A second dose, administered 15 minutes later, cemented the improvement. Expensive injections and medicines were replaced by a few drops of homeopathic remedy, leaving the girl's brother in a state of awe. The accusations towards doctors were replaced with apologies and an offering of tea. This tale serves as a testament to the power and efficacy of homeopathy. It's not always about the high costs or invasive procedures. Sometimes it's about understanding the body and harnessing the healing power of nature. The story of this 18-year-old girl is a shining example of the potential of homeopathy, a gentle yet powerful approach to healing, as demonstrated by Dr. Ahmed Ejaz, one of Pakistan's leading homeopaths.